If you've been here for a minute, you know that I have changed my backgrounds in like 5 or 6 years. I get bored so fast, and I've been moving around so much. I went from Ohio to Florida to Texas, back to Florida. I like kind of can't have like a permanent background like I had in Ohio because I'm like, am I gonna move somewhere else? You know what I mean? So I thought we would set up my new background like together. Why not? So what you see right now are 3 individual bookshelves that my husband built and like put together for me. And like the only thing I don't like about it is the fact that like if I turn off my studio lights, you see so much of the purple in my video. But unfortunately when my studio lights are on, all you see are like the purple strips of them. But I'm like, you know what, whatever. It'll have to do for now. So let's start decorating these shelves. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. So when I'm sitting down here and filming, all you can see are this row and this row. So that's where I want to focus the majority of my stuff because it's like the visual part of the background. You get what I'm saying. So I think I'm gonna take those 2 rows and I'm gonna fill them with my fragrances. I have 3 giant boxes sitting here of fragrances that I was gifted from Aroma Concepts, which I did a full video on all of these. Then I have a bunch of other ones in my bathroom that I'll add to these shelves as well. And I think this 3rd row, you can't really see it, especially in videos. I don't really care about that. But I'm gonna probably put more here if I have enough of them to fill up a 3rd row. But I think I'll also put some of my awards up here. Like I have some awards from some platforms like YouTube and whatnot. I think I'll put them here to kind of just have them out on display rather than being in my closet. And then the very bottom row, I think I'm going to put my little extras bins. So this is always full of either PR I was gifted or products I purchased. Like I purchased this Fenty Beauty foundation and this Charlotte Tilbury bronze or things like that. I'm gonna have this at the very, very bottom. One as storage, and that way it's not sitting in my closet because I have like 5 or 6 of these in my closet. And then also so I can keep like a visual reminder like Cody, like review them, you know? So I guess I'll start by putting this bad boy down here at the very bottom. You can't see, but it's going at the bottom. Now with the fragrances, this is where it's gonna get me because I love to be super organized and blah, 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 but I'm like, I have so many fragrances here and I don't really know how I'm gonna organize them. So I'll probably just like start putting them out kind of like in order of likeness, and then I'm sure at some point I'm gonna like move them around, but that's okay. So I'm gonna start off with Johari by Daniel Rene, and I am on my 2nd bottle of this, and then I also have 2 other bottles, including an autographed one right there. If you see this on eBay for like 100 times the price, it was me. So I wanna put this like front and center. Ooh, there's fingerprints. That's gonna be something that like bothers me is seeing all the fingerprints. But we're gonna put it right there, right front and center because support your friends. And then I think I'll put, I don't know if where do I want to put like extra boxes? Because I have like a bunch of extra boxes of ones that I already have open. But I think I'll put these at the very bottom actually. So if they're new boxes, I'm going to put them on one of those very, very bottom shelves, okay? This is going to be chaotic, just so you know. I'm also have to keep like reminding myself to like scoot down so I'm in frame, so I apologize. But yeah, it's gonna be chaotic because I haven't decided. So we're gonna decide in real time. So beside Johari, I'm gonna put the Ophidian collection. These are from Paris Corner. Black Cherry is absolutely delicious. We're gonna do Sweet Surrender behind that one, and then Mango Bliss behind that one. This one, oh, gotta put the lid on. Smells so good. What I'm also trying to kind of do is keep front and center the ones that I know I'll grab and use the most, and then the other sides will just kind of be like for storage. So beside those, we're gonna go in with, I'm just gonna keep wiping everything off, so deal with it. We're gonna go with the new Marseille fragrances. I have 2 plus the Discovery set, but I have other ones on the way. So I'm gonna put these in their own row, and then I'll put the rest of them as they come in. Une Nuit Parisienne and Essence Santal right there. I promise this is gonna be like organized chaos like in my mind. So next we're gonna do, I love fruity fragrances. So this is Batik, this is like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and these are both Juicy Melange and Pear Potion. These are from Amir. These, oh, so good. So I'm gonna do the purple bottle here. We'll do green behind that. And then we'll do, let me just give a little, oh, yeah, so good. Put that behind there. Now I don't want these shelves to be like overloaded. Like my bestie Daniel, his fragrance shelves are like, I don't want that. I want them to be like organized and like not too full. Next, also from Paris Corner, we'll do 2 of the Care fragrances, I think is how you pronounce it. We have Fusion and Pistachio. This is like lychee basically. We'll put those right here. These bottles are so beautiful. Are you kidding me? Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna hold off on putting more on this shelf because I know I have a couple more that I wanna put behind this. I know the rest of the Marseilles are gonna go there. I'll probably put something behind that bad boy. I'm actually gonna put, I think for now, I'll put the Pheromone His from the Fix. This is beautiful, so delicious. We'll put that right there, even though you can't actually see it, that's okay. It's there. Now we're gonna go over to this shelf first. So over here, I'm gonna put ones that look pretty that I don't use super often. Now I have the Kissa collection. I don't have all of them, and I have 2 of the Kissa Delicious. I don't know why, but I do. Kissa Delicious, Kissa Pink, and then we'll do another Kissa Delicious behind it. Yara Latafa. This has taken over the internet. It's wild. So I have the white one, the pink one, and the orange one. We'll do pink over here first. Then we'll do the orange. Then we'll do the white. Looking cute. Love to see it. Then I have 3 from Autobiography. We have Salty Breeze, Supreme Gold, and Citron Vanille. Oh, these ones I'll put here. I should put the blue one up front because it's really pretty, but I'm not going to. Looking good, looking good. Then I have 2 from Taskina. I have Caramel Cascade, which people love, love, love. And I never know what this one's called because I don't see it anywhere on the bottle, but it's going up on the shelf. I'll do this one second, actually, because I know that I'm going to use Caramel Cascade more than the other one. How's it looking? Legit? Okay, cool. Now on the other side, that one over there, I'm gonna put these ones that have little horses on them because these ones are really, really cool. These are from Kalia. We have Platinum and Luxe. So I'll put the black one there. Gotta make sure the head's turned the right way. And put this one right behind it. Then we're gonna put Heritage from the Royal Collection behind that. Next we're adding La Nuit Pandora and Rose de Nuit. I need to clean literally all these off of here. So after I like put these all on, I'm gonna take a black off and clean them. So I'll put this. I want the purple one up front because that one's really pretty. So the next one I'm going to throw over there is Rua Radiant Roses. This bottle is stunning. So I'll put that right. Actually, I want to put it right up front because it's really pretty. I feel like I want the ones that look the prettiest up front, and then I'll like work behind them, if that makes sense. So like December Vanilla, we're going to add that to the shelf because that one's beautiful. I'll put that one behind. That one's okay. It's not super pretty. It's one box empty. Next I have 2 from Maj. We have Moscow Mule and Cognac Blaze. These ones are stunning. I know you can't really like see me anymore, so I apologize, but I'm adding these to the shelf. Then Lafayette has Intoxicate. We're going to throw that behind those Moscow ones. And then the ones that I feel like are random, like none of these have like matching ones. Like they do have them, but like I don't have them. I'm just going to toss these ones in the very last row on that shelf, which you can't see, but it's going there, okay? Now on that end, I'm going to add a few of the other random ones I have. So we have Eternal Coffee. This one is called Nasma. This is a fragrance oil. This is delicious. Then we have Abisco Nirvana. I really like this one. So I'm going to put that one first. I need to spread these out a little bit better. Because I don't want them to be like right on the edge, like on that side at least, because like stuff happens. So I want to give them like enough space to like move around if needed for whatever reason or not. But like I don't want them jumbled, and I don't want them too far apart either. How many times am I almost gonna break something? 2 more boxes empty. I've been so mad because I love Black Opium so much. So I have some fragrance little mini sprays. These are cute. I'll just toss these up somewhere. I just put those on the end down there. Now reminder, I'm certainly gonna build out this collection much, much, much larger. So like I'm also trying to think ahead of time, but also I know that I'm gonna like change around the layouts of these fragrances anyway, because like Okja, I wanna buy a bunch more of these. Okja Sinful is so good. It's cherry overload. It's been amazing. I've been talking about it a lot lately. Gorgeous. Love that one. I haven't used Discover from Aeropostale in a long time. YSL Myself has been one of my favorites. I don't like this version as much as the one I originally had, which was so good. YSL Black Opium I love so much. And then Polo 87 from Ralph Lauren. I use it when I want something super clean smelling. Then I have the YSL Black Opium Over Red. Have not tried this yet. So when I get a bunch more of these, I'll probably have like dedicated rows for just this. But I'm gonna put these probably right behind me because they're like my go-to ones. And even though I don't have a ton yet to like fill in the shelf, I'm just gonna put them side by side. That way like something's actually there for now, you know? I guess we'll open this bad boy up and smell it. This bottle, Black Opium Over Red, is so tiny. Let's see what it smells like. I like that, but it smells kind of old grandma-ish. I like Black Opium, like just the regular one that I've been using, much, much better. So I'm just gonna put this right behind the other Black Opium because that makes sense to me. And then for now, at least, I'll just throw my Polo Ralph Lauren and this Aeropostale Discover over here. And that is all my fragrances for now. Like I said, I have some other boxes over here that I'm just gonna use as storage because I already have them open and there's no reason to open them right now because that's wasteful. Okay, to continue decorating, I need to clean this, so ignore me, it's been in my closet. I'm gonna put this right here in the middle because I just feel like it looks nice and I'll put something in there at some point. I just don't know what. I know you're not gonna be able to really see what's going on in this row yet, but just know it's there. For the life of me, I cannot find my first little YouTube award I got that somebody made me that was so sweet, and my YouTube Shorts community program light that I won from, or that I earned, I guess, from being like super successful on YouTube Shorts for like a hot 1.5 to 2 years. So when I find those, I'll put them out. I have another tub. These are actually products that are extra, like my Blend Bunny Noctilucent palette that is no longer in stock. So these are products that I use or will use or need to restock myself that I keep. So I keep those in here because they're like my go-to products. So I'll put that on the bottom. And then I have this other bin. This is all like extras, things that I found on Amazon and like weird websites that I want to try out that I just have not gotten around to, like little gadgets and whatnot, little tools. So again, I'm gonna put this down on the bottom. I think that's all I have for right now. So to recap, we have current beautiful fragrances at the top, the ones I use the most here, and then obviously I'm going to build this out to like fill up these shelves. Third row, I have this cute little spinning, oh this one doesn't spin, but like little jeweled platter looking display thing. I'll put something in that. I just gotta clean it first. Then I have my extras bins all at the bottom. And I don't know if I'm gonna put something on the row below this one, like the 4th row, because I don't want it to be cluttered. You know what I mean? Like too cluttered. So I think we're good for now. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna add my extras boxes. I'm gonna add these to a shelf. So we'll put the extra Jahari here first, of course. I really need to dust some of these off, man. I have an extra La Nuit Pandora. Put that here. I have an extra Batik. Love this. Oh, actually, this one here is not extra. This is Thameen. This is not what I thought it was. So this is another concentrated fragrance oil. This is like Nasma, but different. But like the same thing. Where did I put that bad boy? Over here. So we are going to put Thameen up here behind Nasma. Okay, now I'm actually good for now. Thank you guys for hanging out with me while I stock up my new display shelves in my background. Hope this was fun for you. It was fun for me. At least I get to chat to like technically myself while doing this. But like I said, I'll probably move these around a million times until I'm like super happy with them. And I need to dust some of them off if I'm being real. But yeah, you know, I don't really love change, but like this is a fun and much needed change. I hate the background I had before, so we're off to new things. 2025 is gonna be amazing. My company, the Social Nexus Agency, is exploding. Like I'm super, super busy. I'm expanding my team, like lots of good things. And then now everything will kind of be back in place like it needed to be. This last couple months was, or has been like ridiculous, which is why there's been like a really strong noticeable lack of long form content. Like with what time? Like literally with what time? So I'm gonna keep filming from like now, which is like December, whatever, until the end of the month and like really try to like slam, knock out some content. If you stuck around this whole time, thank you, I appreciate it. With that being said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays!